Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming back. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Carl. I am making my third video for this channel as I document my journey into the digital marketing space and affiliate marketing space or digital space in general. So I am going to talk about what digital marketing is all about, or digital affiliate marketing for some people. So a lot of these terms are interchangeable, but I would just like to spend a few minutes to talk about what those two things are and the opportunities that exist. So, have you ever wondered what it would be like to break free from the traditional 9 to 5 grind and create a life where you're in full control of your income, your time, and your future? That is really why I came outside of my comfort zones to pursue this. Because it may sound like a dream, but what if I told you that the digital space could be your ticket to living life on your own terms? Those are the buzzwords, right? So, as I mentioned, I'm diving into the world of digital and affiliate marketing. So, I wanted to just talk to you about what it is, how it works, and why it's one of the most exciting opportunities of our time. And trust me, if you stick around, you'll see that the barriers you think exist are really just myths waiting to be dispelled. This space does not require you to have a degree, a special education, or training or experience, right? So, what is digital affiliate marketing? So, let's start with the basics. Digital marketing in general is essentially the promotion of products and or services using digital channels. So think of social media, websites, right? Affiliate marketing is a specific branch of this where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. It's like being a middleman, but with the potential for unlimited reach thanks to the internet. So here's how affiliate marketing works in simple terms. 1, you find a product or service you believe in. 2, you promote it using a unique affiliate link provided by the company. 3rd, when someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. I'm making it simple, but everything requires work, but not necessarily busy work. And with platforms like Instagram, or your reach could be almost infinite, right? Instagram loves storytelling, and it makes it an ideal platform for promoting products, building a brand, and engaging with a global audience. It's free advertising, basically, and it's used by 2 billion people the last time I checked. It's a goldmine for digital marketers. Its active users are all over the world, number 1. Number 2, it's designed for visual engagement, which is key to grabbing attention. The shorter, sometimes the better, but there are times when you need like reels, stories, and Instagram ads to make it easy to showcase products in the most creative ways. People love to be entertained. People love to be able to connect. So when you're advertising on IG, trust and connections with your audience are really key. People go by trust. And by consistently showing up on IG with value-packed content, you can grow your audience and convert them into paying customers. Again, everything takes time. So what are the benefits and disadvantages of digital and affiliate marketing? The benefits: 1, low startup costs. You don't need a storefront or inventory. Passive income potential. Number 2, once you set up your systems like automation and sales funnels that they call it, you can earn while you sleep. 3, flexibility. Work from anywhere, anytime. For someone like me who's passionate about travel and freedom, this is a game changer. Next is scalability. There's no limit to how much you can earn. It all depends on your effort and strategy. So it's really within your control. Be as creative. What about the disadvantages? Learning curve. You need to understand platforms, analytics, and strategies. And you need consistency. Again, this doesn't happen overnight. Like anything, you'll need to work hard and persevere. Is this a saturated market? No, it's competitive. But that's where authenticity and strategy come into play, right? So why the digital space is the next trillion-dollar industry? Well, the digital economy, according to my recent Google search, is booming. By 2025, it's projected to be a trillion-dollar industry. Why? Because everything is shifting online. People are shopping online more than ever. I shop online, and you do too. Businesses are investing more money in digital advertising because it provides measurable results and making processes faster and more efficient. So for those willing to step into this space, the opportunities are endless. And there's a good kicker. You don't need to be a tech genius to succeed. As I mentioned, you just need to learn the basics and build from there. Once you get things started, all that can happen is you'll learn every day and it just becomes a little bit more easy. But why does it feel scary and why it shouldn't? It's natural to feel scared about diving into digital marketing. I get it, it's uncharted territory for many, like me. I've been in the corporate space, academic space for years, but here's the truth. The risks are low if you approach it with a right mindset and resources, right? So unlike traditional businesses, you're investing thousands in overhead costs. Tools like automation can handle much of the heavy lifting, saving you time and effort. The key is to treat it like any other skill. Be willing to learn, put in the work, and trust the process. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Again, not a get rich quick scheme, all right? Let's talk about master resale rights and private label rights. So if you're looking to level up, consider master resale rights or MRR and private label rights or PLR. MRR lets you resell a product and keep 100% of the profits. So you buy one product, you use it, learn from it, and you can resell it infinitely. PLR allows you to customize a product like an ebook or a course and sell it as your own. So these options give you the power to build your own brand while leveraging ready-made products, sort of done-for-you products, right? So combine that with a funnel, which is a guided process to lead potential customers toward a purchase, and you've got a powerful system for generating income. It's a win-win in my opinion, and I'm not making it sound so simple because it is just that. The best part, living life on your own terms. For me, this is the most exciting part of digital marketing, the potential to be independent. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom to be yourself and share your unique voice. Work from anywhere, whether that's a beach in Tahiti or your favorite cafe in LA or anywhere. Push yourself outside your comfort zone and grow as a person. It's a chance to design your life, be creative, tackle those creative juices and direct them to something that is productive and not living by someone else's rules. So let's dispel common myths. 1, you need a huge following to succeed. That's false. A small engaged audience can be more profitable than a large passive one. 2, it's too late to start. Again, that's false. The digital space is growing, not shrinking. There's room for everyone. 3rd, it's a scam. That's what I thought too, but no. Like any industry, there are bad actors. Do your research and focus on providing real value. So, what's stopping you? The tools, resources, and opportunities are all here. If this resonates with you, take the first step today. Check out the links in the description for resources that can help you get started. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. This could be your chance to create something amazing for yourself and your future, your family, your kids, your partner, your parents, your pets. So let's get started on living life on your own terms because you've got this. Trust me, if I can do this, so can you.